Good evening, Nancy. So it's currently Monday, May 4th. Tomorrow is May 5th. It's going to be called Cinco de Mayo. It's a Mexican celebration, but Americans absolutely love to celebrate this stuff. So that is a file we did. It's doubled. They are like, this is like a series of stereotypes about women, men, nationalities, Americans, French, etc. And so here we talked about the different things. So, gender stereotypes. Discuss if you agree with the following statements. So it's a bit of a mess here. So I don't really understand why. But yeah, that's the second file I gave you. So that is about the British. So they have a cloud and it's raining. They have an umbrella. They drink beer, or Ale. They like soccer, especially Manchester United. They have a lot of hooligans. It's like HOOLIGANS. It's not like people, they are not really, they don't work, they don't are very educated, and they tend to be very racist and anti-everybody. So this is I like soccer, but I don't like the hooligans. Okay. He's very proud. He's wearing an underwear with a British flag, so pretty weird. Second is a German, wearing the German flag, drinking a huge, it's a chop, or it's like a big glass of L. It's more like a liter or 2 liters. It's pretty big. The stereotype is like big, fat German eating sausages. They should have added some sausages here. The Americans with a cowboy hat, a hamburger, the soda shirt is too short. We can see the belly. Wearing jeans and sneakers and an iPod. And the French always moving, always doing something with the baguette, the wine. I don't know what it is stuff. The beret, the mustache. The striped black and white striped shirt, and etc. Not really happy, smoking a cigarette, and not really happy. After, I don't know who is this guy, where is he from? So, and we have the Mexican guy with the sombrero, the guitar, the cactus, and he's smiling and is awake. So that is a guy, he's not sleeping by the cactus, so it's a different stereotype here. Okay, and so, how to be tolerant in a multicultural area. Do not judge, before getting to know somebody. This is like an ESL kind of, exercise. Read the following text about hamburger. They are missing parts of sentences. Try to correct them. A hamburger, or burger for short, is a sandwich consisting of ground meat. Hamburgers are often served with lettuce, bacon, tomato, onion, cheese, and we can say ketchup and mayonnaise. I don't know. The hamburger has won widespread popularity. The term hamburger originally derived from the German city of Hamburg. Hamburger can be something in German. The hamburgers are usually mass-produced in factories and frozen for delivery to the site. Hamburgers in fast food restaurants are usually grilled on a flat top. Hamburgers are often served as a fast dinner, picnic, or party food. Okay, so we can do that together. Okay, and we can also explain what is a flat top. This is the stove. The place where you can cook your burgers, and they cook also other things. But anyway, we're gonna do that, okay, because I think it's very nice for you. And the stereotypes, this is like a very special file. I don't know if we're gonna be able to yeah, it's like that. Okay, so is a stereotype is a generalization about a person, a group of people. So we did that, the stereotypes about the Chinese, the British, the This is not sewers, they made a mistake. It's like swear. S-W-E-A-R-S. It's like bloody. They swear with a lot of bloody. Okay, bad teeth, drinks a lot of alcohol. Okay, American eat a lot of fast food. Think of our world looks like that, and is materialistic. The Japanese, we saw that, but it's not always true. The Italian member of mafia, well, actually it depends where you are in Italy. I know that my parents were living in Trevignano, and it was full of mafiosos over there. That was interesting. Lives with his mom, I don't think so. Loves pizza and pasta, not just that. The Polish complains a lot, steals, drinks too much alcohol, and is stupid. This is really bad. And boy-girl stereotypes. Okay, I agree, I don't agree, I disagree, I think that, I believe there is an E, I, E, boys are, girls are. We can also finish this file, okay? To the first file, I want to specify that, you know, it's an exaggerated thing, okay? So, I don't know if I can zoom in, I can have a better thing. No, I don't think so. But anyway, men don't cry, it depends. If a man or woman is 30 and single, she's a failure. Well, for you guys, yeah, but it's not the case for a lot of Americans or Westerners. A man should propose to a woman, not necessarily, it can be the other way around. It's unnatural for a woman to ask a man to marry her. Well, women who don't wear high heels are unfeminine. Well, I think it's a bit sad to destroy your feet just to please like that the man. Men drink beer or vodka, and women drink wine. I know a lot of women, they drink whiskey, so it depends. A man should carry a heavy bag for a woman. Well, not necessarily. Women don't shake hands. Actually, I do. Women are nothing but machines for producing children. That is a bad thing of saying. That's like archaic, and you're just showing your limitation. That's it. A woman needs a man like a fish needs a bicycle. Kind of like this one. And so it's repeated, you know, it's repeated. But there is you have a lot of sentences here. So what are we doing here? We are talking about the I disagree, I agree, I think it's exaggerated, etc. Okay, it's just to express your opinion, that's it. And so we went through all the stereotypes. Let me just go back here. Italian stereotypes: eat good food, eat pizza and pasta, good artists, music, designers, cars, fashion, cheese. Well, Italians are well known for some cheese, but actually really the French are known for having so many different varieties of cheese, you know. Stereotypes on Hong Kong: work hard, respect others, fashion, good cuisine, good flavor. They make a lot of soup. It's like, yeah, they can't live without soup. It's like you cannot really, you know, have a meal without soup. And you told me about the guy, you know, in the restaurant near Notre Dame. And I told you this is just like old, archaic culture. Even that is just, I just cannot understand why the woman is also agreeing with the guy. She's being like brainwashed. You know, the guy is like, I don't know if the guy is paying for everything, and she's been spending like 40 years with the same guy and not saying anything and not complaining. But I think it's quite sad to see a woman just like, you know, not saying anything about the stupidity of this guy. Because this is what the French don't do that. You know, you can touch a bottle of wine if you're a woman. Actually, you can do a lot of stuff. So, you know, that scares a lot of men actually. Anyway, that's the end. We're going to continue with these kind of files. Let's go back to All Clear number 2. We finish with a chapter. And because it takes a lot of time, you know, every time we use All Clear. And with these kind of small files, we can do a lot of stuff. Okay? But anyway, you have a wonderful evening. I'll see you tomorrow at 9. And sleep well, eat well, and see you tomorrow morning.